Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best number stencils is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your crafting arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these stencils can help you add a professional touch to your projects. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of number stencils, exploring their uses, and helping you find the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. 4-inch alphabet and number stencils for wood, wall, fabric. This set includes 26 capital letters and 10 numbers, giving you endless combinations. It's perfect for a variety of projects, and you can use them in any way you like. Made from sturdy PET plastic, these stencils are built to last. They're also easy to clean with just soap and water, so you can reuse them again and again. Simply place the stencil where you want to paint and use tape to secure it. Then, use brushes, spray paint, or markers to bring your design to life. These stencils work on various surfaces like wood, paper, glass, and fabric. It's a great tool to meet your artistic creation, or give it as a gift. The 4x4-inch size is ideal for many projects. If you're not satisfied, please contact us. Our goal is to provide the best products and service. What we like. This stencil set includes 26 letters and 10 numbers, giving you a complete set for any project. It's also reusable and easy to clean, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a versatile set for various surfaces like wood, fabric, and glass, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to use, great size. Nice and sturdy. Easy to use. Sturdy and works well. Number 4. 4-inch letter stencils and numbers. These alphabet stencils are made of high-quality, eco-friendly PET material. They are sturdy and not easy to break, with no sharp edges, making them safe for use. The craft stencils are thin yet very tough. Each one is as light as paper and easy to use, but also very strong. It's difficult to damage under normal circumstances. The package includes 26 letter stencils and 10 number stencils. These provide endless possibilities for customizing words and creating DIY art projects. You can use these reusable stencils on various surfaces like wood, fabric, walls, and more. They are washable, sturdy, and easy to store. These plastic letter stencils come in a bag, making them a great gift. The smooth edges and flexible design make them ideal for DIY crafts. What we like. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly PET material, this stencil is both lightweight and durable. It's perfect for use on wood, fabric, walls, and more. If you like a stencil that's easy to handle and can withstand regular use, this is a great choice. What people say. They are a good product made of flexible plastic. Worked well on parking space numbering, but I think the 6-inch would be seen better. Worked really well for what I needed them for. They look nice and were a good size. The size is perfect for outlining the labeling and worked well. Number 3. 3-inch letter stencils kit. This kit includes 36 reusable stencils, featuring letters A, Z and numbers 0 to 9. It's perfect for various DIY art projects, allowing you to create personalized designs with ease. The kit comes with a binder ring and stencils with a 3-inch font height. The stencils are ideal for painting on wood and other surfaces, giving you the flexibility to create any art project you desire. Made from eco-friendly PET material, these stencils are washable and reusable. They are flexible, durable, and safe to use, ensuring they last through many projects. The stencils are thin yet tough, making them easy to handle. Each stencil is as light as paper and features a hanging hole design for convenient storage. Simply choose your paint colors, secure the stencil, and start creating. With these stencils, your craft projects will always turn out perfectly, regardless of your skill level. These stencils can be used on various surfaces like wood, fabric, and walls. Use them to personalize signs, create posters, or design unique art pieces. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This kit includes a full set of letters and numbers, perfect for any DIY project. The stencils are made of eco-friendly PET material, making them reusable and easy to clean. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to add lettering to your crafts, you should consider this. What people say. The stencils are easy to use and clean. The numbers are the perfect size for my project. The stencils are durable and reusable. Number 2. Curb Stencil Kit 0 to 9 numbers. This curb stencil kit is perfect for painting addresses. It includes stencils for numbers 0 to 9, making it easy to create clear and visible markings. It's a simple solution for your address needs. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes various quantities of stencils and masking tape. This combination ensures you have the right tools for the job. The stencils are designed with a suitable size for various applications. Each number is 4 inches tall, ensuring visibility. The included tape helps with precise placement. The interlocking design makes alignment simple. It fits together like puzzle pieces. The tape helps secure the stencil during painting. This stencil kit is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use it to paint numbers on various surfaces. It's a versatile tool for any numbering project. Made of quality plastic, this kit is reusable and easy to clean. Each number has 2 pieces, allowing for repeated use. It's designed for long-term use. What we like. The interlocking design makes aligning the numbers easy and accurate. The set is also reusable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice. If you have a need for painting addresses on curbs or mailboxes, this is the perfect option. What people say. The stencils are easy to use and clean. The numbers are the perfect size for my project. The stencils are durable and reusable. Number 1. BAMIDELE 66 PCS Letter Stencils and Numbers Kit. Introducing the BAMIDELE Stencil Kit. This set gives you endless possibilities for your DIY projects. It's perfect for creating custom words and designs. This kit includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The interlocking design makes it easy to align and paint precisely. You can create beautiful texts with ease. Simply place the stencils on a flat surface and paint or spray. The stencils are made of eco-friendly PET material, ensuring durability. It is also washable and reusable. Use these stencils for weddings, banners, or home decor. They're great for journals, fabric, and more. This set meets all your needs for making beautiful art. These stencils make a great gift for friends and family. The smooth edges and flexible design make them perfect for any DIY craft. Give the gift of creativity with this fantastic set. What we like. This set includes a wide variety of letters, numbers, and symbols, giving you endless creative possibilities. The interlocking design ensures easy alignment for precise painting. If you are looking for a comprehensive set for various DIY projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The stencils are easy to use and clean. The stencils are well made and durable. The numbers are the perfect size for my project. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.